Hey guys, do you want to grow your trading account like this on the screen? Let me tell you guys. So, let me share the insights into my highly profitable trading strategy that has been generating significant returns. Get ready to unlock the financial success secret. Join me in the thrilling world of trading on pocket options and Quotex platform. If you are aiming for the profits and mastering the binary realm like I have in this game, it's time to trade with the confidence. Sign up through all the links in the pinned comment and the description. So, let's get back to the trading. So, for the chart timings, you have to select the 5-second time frame right here. And for the trade timings, you have to select 15 seconds time frame like here. So, I'm going to be using indicator in the strategy. So, the one indicator will be the Bollinger Bands right there. So, the settings, you have to keep it period at 8, and the deviation you have to keep it to 1.04. So the second indicator will be the momentum indicator right here. So the settings for this will be the by default at period 10. Okay, so the plan will be whenever the price will be on the below region like this, we will going to buy the trade with the momentum line on the oversold region. And whenever the price will be like this or like this above right there, and the momentum line will be on the upside region, on overbought region, we will sell the trade. So as you can see here, I'm currently on GBP to JPY pair, and the price is roaming around the bands, the upper and the lower band. So right here, I'm buying with the $100 because the price is below this lower band. So guys, make sure to stick with the criteria I have explained in this video to get the maximum potential of this trading strategy. So let's wait a bit more. And here you go, $190 profit from the single trade. So let's take another trade. So price is above this upper band. I'm shorting here from $100 right here. Okay. Okay, right here. So let's wait a bit more. Mhm. Imagine, guys, doing these kind of trades and doubling your live trading account in less than 1 hour. Okay, so here you go. And boom, here you go. $190 in front of you guys on the live trading. You can also see my live account balance on the top right corner. So let's take one last trade to round figure out today's profit. Okay, so let's wait a bit more. Okay, so now price is above the upper band right here. So I'm planning to to sell it short from here, but price is coming below. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's wait a bit more. Okay, now from here I'm buying with the $100 because as our planned price is below the lower band. So, okay, let's wait. Believe me, guys, this is the only trading strategy you need to print as much dollars as you want. Okay, you can also see my live balance here. And boom, $190 again on the same strategy, on the same pair with the live trading. So, let me tell you some key points to keep in mind while using this trading strategy, which many people don't reveal to you guys. So, whenever you use these confluences, you will optimize this strategy up to 80 to 90% accuracy easily. So whenever you will going to trade with this strategy, always use the sideways market. Never use the trending markets. And like this sideways market I'm showing you on the screen, never ever choose the trending markets, because whenever you will going to use these kind of sideways market, you will unlock the full potential of this trading strategy and get up to 80 to 90% accuracy with this single strategy. So before ending this video, let me show you guys some of my profit withdrawals from today. So As you guys can see here, these are my today's profit withdrawals and my today's profit using the same trading strategy. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys developed any sort of knowledge from this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And make sure to create your accounts on Pocket Options and Quotex platform because I only provide strategies for these two trusted broker platforms.